Hi, I'm going to do a little demonstration of cleaning a tablet screen, or this could even be a phone, with a disinfecting wipe against a Norwex Envirocloth. When you're cleaning with an Envirocloth, you can clean 90% of your home surfaces with an Envirocloth. It's E for everything. You clean with just water alone. It has very tiny fibers, 1/200th of a human hair, and there's a lot of fiber in here, 1,800 miles. So what we're going to use is glow germ. It simulates the size and shape of germs. That way we can use a black light, and we'll see how well the disinfecting wipe does compared to our Envirocloth. So the first thing I'm going to do is just put a little bit of glow germ on the screen. Okay, just rub that in. So whenever you're using a disinfecting wipe or spray, you are chemically cleaning. So that's a chemical cleaner is going to kill, it says it right here, it's going to kill what's on the surface. And then of course with the wiping motion, I'm sure it's supposed to be removing, any debris that's there. This is what I was using very heavily before I found Norwex, and I really trusted, that these were doing a great job. So first I'm going to use the scrubby side, and then there's a softer side. He says that this has micro scrubbing bubbles. So these are the good ones. I think I paid $9 for this container. And you know how this belongs to my son, so you know how kids are. They take these things everywhere. Their hands, I'm sure, aren't the cleanest. I try to clean my devices a lot. They say device screens are 200,000 times dirtier than a toilet, which is pretty disgusting. Okay, I've spent a lot of time on this, so I feel confident, and I would have felt confident in the past that it would be, extremely clean. So I'm going to turn off the light. The only thing you're going to see is my black light right now. It's pretty dark in here. So let's see. So we have a ton of glow germ left on the tablet screen. So it looks like it just smeared it around. And we have a lot of it on the table too. Okay, now I'm going to try it again with my Envirocloth. So when you're using the Envirocloth, you're mechanically cleaning, which means you want to use a flat side because you're physically removing. I fold mine in half and fold it in half again, gives me 8 clean sides. Use a flat side to clean. Just go like this, pretty easy. You actually spend less time cleaning, in my opinion. Okay. I think I spent less time just then. All right, so I'm going to turn the light back off. See how we did. So there's nothing there. No glow germ, no germs. It's perfectly clean. Let's get the table. The table is still pretty messy. So I'm going to take my Envirocloth while the light's still off. So see, when you're using this, really just smears it all around. Use a little bit more of the glow germ while the light's off. So that's that glow germ. When you're using the Envirocloth, you want to use a flat side, like I mentioned. Physically removing what's on the surface. Traps it in the cloth. It's all right in my cloth. So the Envirocloth cleans with water alone, and the great thing is that due to the size of the fiber, the amount of fiber, it will not transfer to another surface. So I could go to wipe another, another counter in my home, in the kitchen, and I'm not going to transfer whatever I've collected. Could it be, chicken juice or glow germ or anything else? I'm not going to redeposit it on another surface. And then the third thing that I love about the Envirocloth is that it does contain our backlock technology. Our backlock is microsilver, and microsilver is embedded in the cloth for self-purification properties, and that will prevent the growth of mold, mildew, any bacterial growth. And so once I rinse the cloth, I'll press, agitate, and rinse under the sink, give it a good wring, and then I'll hang it up on its tag. I've had this cloth for a long time. This is a well-loved cloth. I'll hang it up once I rinse it out, and the back lock, which is the microsilver, will go to work to penetrate the cell wall of any bacteria that's left in the cloth to prevent that bacteria from growing, and I'll have a fresh, clean cloth within 24 hours. I only have to wash my Envirocloths once a week. This is obviously a blue one. They come in a lot of different colors. I like to color code them, blue for bathroom, red for living room, but it's nice. I do clean with multiple Envirocloths on my big cleaning day. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and it gives you a good idea of the power of the Envirocloth compared to the disinfecting wipes. And I'll be back again with another video. Have a wonderful day.